Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing and assembly of a Morabo Sectional sofa set. This one is the sofa and the other one is the Chaise lounge. We have to put them together and that will make it a sectional sofa set. You can buy only the sofa or only the Chaise lounge. We will first assemble the sofa and then follow up by Chaise lounge, and then we will put them together. If you will use a knife, don't cut too deep that you might cut through the box and damage your sofa. And don't forget about the matching textile for the legs. Now you may install the legs to the pre-drilled hole in the sofa. Do the same steps to the remaining 3 legs. The instruction manual is hidden underneath the sofa. These cushions have velcro so that it will not move around. The cover is also removable so that you can wash it when it gets dirty. We will now proceed with the assembly of the Chaise lounge. Again, be careful with the knife. Do not cut too deep that you may damage your sofa. Instruction manual and the matching textile for the legs together with the hardware, which are the nuts and bolts, are also underneath the Chaise lounge. There's a small pocket underneath the Chaise lounge where you can hide the instruction manual. We will now combine the sofa and the Chaise lounge so that it will become a sectional sofa set. Wrench is also included so that you can tighten the nuts and the bolts. Using the provided wrench, loosen the nuts of the armrest where you want to connect the Chaise lounge. It could be left or right armrest depending on what you want. The Chaise lounge have a pre-drilled hole on both sides. After removing the nuts and bolts and also the washer, you can now remove the armrest. Place the Chaise lounge side by side with the sofa, making sure that the pre-drilled hole is aligned. Now insert the bolt and then the washer and then the nuts. Don't tighten too much yet so that you can make adjustment on aligning the remaining 3 pre-drilled holes. After inserting the nuts and bolts, you may tighten them with a provided wrench. The last step is to attach the armrest to the other side of the Chaise lounge. Insert the attached bolt of the armrest to the 4 pre-drilled hole, then lock them with the washer and nuts. The sofa has a pocket where you can hide the manual and also the wrench. That's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.